Many people assume that canned and frozen foods lack nutrients. I'm Emily, and together with Chef Dave, we're here to dish the facts on why canned and frozen vegetables can be an affordable and nutritious option. These vegetables are still picked at their peak ripeness, and they're either flash frozen or canned shortly after, so they do retain their nutrients.
So a lot of people believe that canned or frozen vegetables can't be as good as fresh, and that's simply not true. We all know dishes, things like curries, soups, baked casseroles, and in these dishes, canned or frozen vegetables really shine. I love to use frozen broccoli and puree it into a pesto. For this pesto, I used Nature's Promise frozen broccoli. I simply allowed the broccoli to thaw and then added it to a food processor with some fresh basil, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, and Nature's Promise olive oil. I pureed it until it formed a smooth consistency and then rounded out the flavor with additional lemon juice and salt as needed.
That sounds great. I've never made a broccoli pesto before, but I think I'm gonna have to try that one out. And when you are shopping for frozen vegetables at the store, look for packages that don't contain any sauces or seasonings, because those can be a sneaky source of sodium and saturated fat.
Let's talk about canned vegetables. Check out this Southwest bean salad that I made today. This recipe features both canned beans and canned corn. And here's the kicker, I got both of them for under $1.
That's great.
As well as cherry tomatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of fresh cilantro. This beautiful dish can be on your dinner table in under 3 minutes.
And when you are picking up those canned vegetables at the store, look for low sodium or no salt added. If you do happen to pick up a regular can, you can also rinse them in the sink under running water to remove some of the sodium content. You'll know you've done a good job rinsing when you see the bubbles stop forming. Frozen and canned vegetables are great kitchen staple items to have on hand for creating easy and delicious veggie pack meals. Want these recipes? Head to our website at stopandshop.com/nutrition.